In this pandemic era of coronavirus, we have witnessed a huge influx of interviews going all around the web, be it in Zoom, be it through BeLive or StreamYard. So when you are browsing your Facebook timeline, you come across with hundreds of interviews, and most of them do not have proper description and title. So people who are doing interviews without proper description and title, their interviews get lost because they do not know what is inside for them. Because once you are scrolling the timeline, what you only see is a muted video with the text. So unless your text contains all the information that can hook in an audience, no one is going to see your video. So the title and description is a very essential part of your interview to hook in the audience. The title should contain the name of your show and whatever you have decided, and the description should have the links. Yes, I'll say it again. The description should have the links. Links to the profile of your guest, if he has any website, if he has any page, to the links to them. If you have a public WhatsApp, then a public WhatsApp number, or why are you conducting the interview, what this guy has done, what is he up to, what do we do. We do not have to go into a 2-paragraph content writing. A 4-line description should be enough, which should be brief and concise, and should describe that what your guest has done and what he's up to. For example, if he's a biochemical engineer and he's working in Germany for the past 15 years and he has invented some specific technology, write it down, because this is what your audience is going to get hooked into. And do write your question as well, for example, why you want to interview this person. So these are some very basic points that actually increase the quality of your interview, because as much as the audience get hooked into your interview, as much as your show gets successful. As much as your show gets successful, as much as it gets the quality. Your guest also gets viewership. Your guest also gets more followership. So if you are able to hook in the audience, it creates a ripple effect. The guests, they love to be in your show, and you love to call the guests who are famous, who are subject specialist, and people, before accepting your interview request, they do go into your profile and they do check that what your history has been, how good of an interviewer you are, how is your presentation, how do you write the description and title, how do you present the guest. So just by writing the correct title and a good description, make sure that you hook in the right audience who stays with you, who follows you, and who follows your guest. Thank you so much.